evening, students. Welcome to GM Dunda Primary Schools. Today we are going to learn about chapter 12, Adverbs of Standard 7th. So students, let us read the sentences right now. That is, read this sentence. The children enjoyed the outing tremendously. I will go to Rashi's house later. It will be too hot outside, so they played inside the house. So here is the definition, or you can say the meaning of what are the adverbs. The word in the bolds are adverbs. We know that adverb is a word that modifies a verb or an adjective or an adverb. It usually tells us how, where, when, why, to what extent, how often, on what condition something occurred. So these tables tell us how different kinds of adverbs and how to use them. So here you can see that adverb of manner. How can we use that to indicate something, how something is done? They whispered softly. So here you can see softly indicates how whispered was done. Adverb of time indicates when something happened. We saw him yesterday. Yesterday means it indicates the time when the things occurred. Adverb of place indicates where something happens. I am waiting downstairs. So downstairs means it's showing the direction of the place. Adverb of direction indicates the direction. That's simple. He walked away. Adverb of frequency, how frequently a thing are happening, it indicates the same. Indicates how often something happens. We meet him regularly. Adverb of degree indicates how much or how complete an action is. So before they are extremely happy with the decision. How much or how complete an action is, that is extremely shows the adverb of the degree. Here you can see, we can also see the children enjoy the outing tremendously. So it is the one like the same sentence. So here is the formation of the adverbs. We add ly to an adjective to form most adverb of a manner. Ly to an adjective to form most adverbs of the manner. So here we use ly for the adverbs of the manner. Okay. Careful is equal to carefully. When the adjective ends in the constant plus y, we change y into I and add ly. So here is a constant y, you can say in busy, we have done it busily. When the adjective ends in e, we leave out the e and add ly. So here we can see horrible, so we remove the e and we will write horribly. Ly, we will remove e. So please note down all these basic factors that we are studying right now. It will help you to form an adverb very easily. When an adjective ends with ic and we add ally, tragically, we do not remove anything from there. When it ends with ic, we add ally, so it becomes the adverb. So here, students, position of the adverb. We usually place adverb of manner next to the word they describe. So we use adverb next to the word to which we have to describe how the things happens or at what place it's happened. The girl sang melodiously. So here you can see the whole letters, adverb of manner. When the sentence has an object, we cannot place an adverb between the verb and its object. So the adverb is placed after the object. The girl sang the song melodiously. Okay. So here you can see we have put adverb after the object. So we can place adverb of manner in the beginning, middle or at the end of the sentence. Quickly I ran to the door. I ran quickly to the door. I ran to the door quickly. So these are all adverbs of manner that we can use in a beginning, middle or at the end of the sentence. We usually place adverb of time at the end of the sentence. It rained a lot today. So when you are using adverb of time, we usually put at the end of the sentence, like the it rained a lot today, or if any examples in before, I think it was, yes, here you can see I will go to Rashi's house later. So in that also we have put adverb of time at the end of the sentence. Sometimes adverb of time can be placed at the beginning of the sentence for emphasis. Today it rained a lot. We usually put adverb of place after the main verb and the object. If there is no object, then it is placed after the main verb. So here you can see where we put adverb of place in between, after the main verb and the object, and if there is no object, we place after the verb. They are waiting downstairs. So after the verb we have written downstairs, adverb of place. They are eating lunch downstairs. So after the lunch we have added downstairs. So here you can see both the things. In one sentence we have there was no object, then we have placed the adverb of place after the verb, and when there was a object we have put after the verb and the object. We place adverb of frequency at the beginning, middle or the end of the sentence. Sometimes I got to bed early. I sometimes go to bed early. I go to bed early sometimes. So these are the sentences. We place adverb of degree in the middle or at the end of the sentence. I truly enjoyed the concert. I enjoyed the concert truly. So when the adverb of degree we can put it middle or the end of the sentence. So here you can see the comparison of adverbs. Sentence. Read this sentence. Farhan works hard. Sumin works harder than Farhan. Sujit works the hardest of them all. We know that we use adverbs to make comparisons. Adverbs also have a degree of a comparison like adjectives. We use adverb in positive, comparative and superlative degrees. So here the comparison is done. Farhan works hard, Zubin works harder than Farhan. So we can see that we have used the adverb to compare the two person or two things, etc. It's like adverb also have a degree of comparison like adjectives. We can use adverbs in three different types like positive, comparative and superlative degrees. So this is a table how to change adverb into positive form, to comparative and superlative forms. There are three sections over here: positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Okay, you can see there are three degrees. One is neo, when we add er to the comparative degree, and in superlative we use est. Now coming to the second one, most adverbs. Okay, in first sentence we can see one syllable adverb near, nearer and nearest. And now coming forward to second sentence, most adverbs calmly, add more calmly and most calmly in superlative degree. Irregular adverbs, well, badly, much, little, far. So well, better, worse, okay, badly to worse, much to more, little to less, far to farther or further. And from you can see well to best, badly to worst, most, much to most, little to least, far to farthest. So these are the basic three three forms we can change a positive form to comparative and superlative degree. So you can see that how the adverbs are used, how the rules are to be to make an adverb. So if any confusion, you can we will solve it when the school reopens. And please do note it down all the rules of the adverbs and all the degrees, so it will be easy for you to make a sentence in an adverb. Thank you students, have a nice day.